You see my pendants. Got them installed over the weekend. So excited. They look so good. And then look what else I got installed. Here is my dining fixture. Look how beautiful that is. These fixtures are from RH. Oh my gosh, I love them. I should probably turn the camera around. Let me turn the camera around. So here's another view. I turned the camera around. It was getting really weird trying to show you my face in the camera and then trying to show you the lighting. But here are the 3 pendants. Look how beautiful they look. Yes. So the guy is gonna have to come back though. Let me show you. And you probably notice you may notice it too, but I'm going to show you an angle. And it looks like, I don't know, like this light here on the left, it seems a little, when you look at it from this view, it seems a little crooked, but from the other side, it doesn't. So when he comes back to finish installing the rest of the fixtures, I'm going to have him adjust that a bit more. But other than that, he did a really, really great job. So they look so nice at night. Let me see. Let me show you how they look turned on. You probably won't appreciate it as much because it's so bright out with all the natural light in here. Yep. But that light at the end is bothering me. That needs to get adjusted. But this is how they look on. And then let me go around and show you the dining. Look at that. So this is the Camino line at RH. In fact, all of the RH fixtures that I'm getting is within the same line, Camino. So this is the dining. Oh my gosh, you don't know how long this has been just sitting on my table, unpacked, and I'm just so glad that it's finally up. All right, and then so the other thing, he does have to come back, and so I get my great room fixture on delivered on November 10th. So I'll just be coming back from vacation, but that's gonna go here. That's like 63 inches. And then, so let me give you guys an update on my foyer. So originally, the light fixture that I bought was gonna be for the foyer here to replace it. But when the technician guy came in to start putting it up, he realized that it's gonna hang too low, and what's gonna happen is, and it's actually kind of big too, man, if anything from RH is just big. But anyway, what's gonna happen is if you hang it here, it's gonna drop too low, and he couldn't put it any higher. But anyway, essentially what will happen is that when you open the door, you run the risk of hitting the light fixture. So the fixture is really made for like probably really, really high, maybe a high ceiling. I mean, I think a 9-foot ceiling works, but I think it's the whole door issue. So at first I was like, you know, I'm gonna take it back. I'll just get my money back. But then I looked over here and I never got a fixture for over here. So I figured, you know what, since it's not gonna work good in the foyer, I said I'm going to actually put it here. So it's a 2-tier lighting chandelier, similar to the great room, but again, it's just 2-tier and it's smaller. So I think it's like 38 inches where my great room is going to be 63 inches. But there it is over in the box. So yeah, so that's a little bit of change. And then I think what I'm going to do here, instead of putting like a chandelier, I think I'm just going to stick with a flushed ceiling light here, but obviously something more fancier than that. And I've been kind of looking for one, but I'm not stressing over it. You know, I'm not going to rush to get one, because when I get it, I just want to really, really love it. And I just don't want to get it for the sake of just getting something there and to switch out. So yeah, so the search is still on for a four-year fixture. Thought I had it, but I didn't have it. And then the other final fixture when he comes back to install the other ones is in my one of the kids' rooms. So that'll get put up pretty easy and simple. But yes, so excited. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is from over here. And you see it like with the dining table and chairs. Like I still gotta take that plastic off of there. Honestly, I'm probably not gonna do that until my other end chairs get here. And then I'll take all that plastic off. But for the time being, it's just gonna stay on there. But here's one last look. Almost forgot to show you what the dining light fixture looks like on, but here it is. Look how nice that is. I'm just gonna go around so you can see. This is actually my second time doing this, because first time I went to edit it and it wasn't really in the camera view. But here it is. You notice that there's a missing light bulb. I actually need to call RH to get them to send me another one. Just haven't gotten to it yet. But just wanted to give you an idea of what the light looks like on. Very moody appearing. So, but here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I know it was very short, but I'm about to go on a vacation. Hubby and I are going to Mexico, Cabo. First time, cannot wait, so excited. It's just gonna be, it's like a recharge thing. We had this trip planned last year, but I was pregnant, so we're using it as like a recharge, start over, not, you know, just, I don't know, we need it because we just settled in a home and he's been getting on my nerves. I want to kick him out. No, I'm kidding.
She dead serious.
But before we close this vlog out, it is somebody's birthday, and it's that kid back there. That's my firstborn, Chase. He turned 9 today, so by the time you see this video, it'll be Saturday. So, are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Can't see your face. Are you 8? Are you 9? So happy birthday. Why you got that doll? Happy birthday to Chase. I hope you have a wonderful day. You want to sing something?
Come on, let's sing as a family.
All right.
Go.
You put a little snow. Put a little snow in it. All right. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday
to you.
Oh my gosh, you guys, he's supposed to be the singer. And yes.
How to say guys?
No, but it's your birthday. No, it's his birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Who?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What you doing?
This is ridiculous. We can't even get a happy birthday out. A song. I'm not redoing anything. This is us in the raw. Us in the raw. This is the snows in the raw. Not redoing it.
Yeah, he don't need
I'm
that
4'6". I'm
sweet
4'7".
happy birthday. Happy birthday.
There we go. Woo!
Happy birthday to you.
That's Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. sound all deep. Alright, that's a wrap. Thank you for tuning in to another vlog. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.